Are you excited for the future? A future where we have smart technologies around us? A future where we can talk to robots? Yes, artificial intelligence, or AI as we call it, is our future. Now, artificial intelligence works as robots who have human intelligence. Now, how do they learn? Like us humans, we do trial and error, learning so many things and have it. Just like that, these robots also learn by giving lots of data to them. They learn by trial and error. And they store this information and use it in other areas. Let me give an example. In 2017, an AI called IBM Watson was tasked in a simulation to give or find an effective cure for cancer. Sure, it diagnosed the patient with a drug and found some effective treatments. But the doctors were in shock. This AI Watson gave a drug that would potentially kill the patient, or even the treatments, they were dangerous as well. What happened to it? The answer was very simple. The AI or IBM Watson simply did not have enough data for it to find an effective cure for cancer. Now, where could this AI find the data to cure cancer? Simple, in hospitals and in research centers. Now, hospitals and research centers have private data or even personal data of us. So, do we want to give our personal data in the fear that if it falls on wrong hands, that there will be a danger for both you and I? Of course not. Not all of us want our data to be exposed. So then what is the answer to this? What is the solution? And it's very simple. It's federated learning. Federated learning just learns from your data and shares only a result, not your private data. How? I'll explain. Let's take an example of a centralized AI. An AI that is tasked to find an effective cure for cancer. Now, to find the cure, it needs data from hospitals and researchers. Now, there's another AI, a local AI in a hospital, and another local AI in researchers. They're all present in edge devices that are served in such a way that they can go through those information, those medical records, all of them about cancer. After it learns, it creates an AI model. This AI model is nothing but an algorithm that has the ability to predict the future symptoms or the future things or the way how the cancer is developed. So this AI model in both in hospitals and also this AI model in researchers will be shared towards the central data, to the central AI. Now this central AI does not have any of your private data. It just has only the shared result about this AI, about this cure. Now this cure or this particular cancer, how it should be cured, what are the methods to it? This central AI does know more about it and can find even more effective cure. Isn't this a dream? A dream where these doctors can find cures to rare diseases without having to touch our personal information. And furthermore, this federated learning doesn't just apply it in the field of medicine, but also applies in the field of maybe in AI assistance, where these digital AIs can also help you to serve better by learning from you without touching your private data. Or furthermore, in automated driving cars, where it could learn so much more from the environment or from the driver without touching your personal data. Again, these are our path towards future, where technologies could get smarter from us without invading our privacy. Thank you.